celebrating this. So the great purpose, motive, celebration of the Eid al-Azha Bakr is that actually we have to sacrifice our all desire, our all wishes, emotion actually, which is killing, which is damaging our body, even which is right now, which is right again of the Islamic Holy Quran and Hadith. Actually, we have to right now sacrifice. So this festival, now sacrificing the animal actually give us message कि we try to sacrifice our wishes, our wish. Whatever activity we are doing here, you should know that we are sacrificing animal, even also we are eating the meat of the animal. Yeah, these are only formality, these are only we are doing. Even also the history of the celebration of Eid al-Azha is that you can say that this is the great sunnah, this is the great deed work. This is the great task of sunnah of the messenger of the God, messenger of the Allah, all right, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. All right, actually the story started from the Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. All right, once upon a time actually he saw in a dream कि Allah had ordered to him, you have to sacrifice to the name of Allah, to the name of God, actually your single son. It's a very great challenging right now examination for the prophet of the God, prophet of the Allah, messenger of the Allah, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. That's a very great. Now once remember right, apply on your practical life actually how much great sunnah this is. If you have single son, now you have to sacrifice in the way of the Allah. All right, this is the great. This time people, they are not sacrificing small things, money, their effort, their pain, their small things, right? How is possible right now? We cannot imagine actually by sitting here. We cannot think, we can never do such a great work. No, never ever. So that was very great examination test, which was very great task for everybody, that you have to assassinate, you have to kill actually indirectly your son. So how you can do this one? All right, that's very great. You know how much important life of the man? You don't know, right? If you kill any person, any human man in this world, so it is the equal to killing, assassinating all the humanity. All the humanity. This is the greatness and power of the human. So how can anybody actually he can right sacrifice his lovely, beloved and single, all right, son? That was impossible. But that was the order of the God, that was the order of actually Allah. All right, so prophet, actually he has a great unbelievable faith to the Allah, to the God. His faith, his iman actually very strong. Each and everything he can, they can sacrifice to the name of Allah. He believe, but like that, we have not faith ourselves. No, never ever. So he sacrificed his son, but suddenly when he went actually to run knife of his beloved right son, so immediately he saw that there is no his son actually one animal right now laying there. Now he was going to sacrifice that particular animal. Why? Because Allah only wanted only wanted to test his prophet, his messenger. Now he went to run knife on the neck of his beloved son. Actually right now Allah said, now your test is complete. You are passed completely, totally. Don't do. So that particular event also tell us sacrificing animal, this is not great job. Only people actually, God actually want to test your intention, your mind. So I want to share something, my opinion about the festival. This is the festival of Bakr. Now you can say that this is the meaning of Eid al-Azha. Right? So what story actually we have behind celebration of the Eid al-Azha, Bakr, this festival? Why do we celebrate? To do any activity, to celebrate any festival, first number, we try to know actually what we have benefit, what we have advantages of celebration of this festival, even also what story, what kind of message actually we can get by applying, by celebrating, right? Per years we are celebrating with a great pump and show enthusiasm, but actually the point which we should notice our mind, what we are getting. What kind of message actually we are getting by celebrating this festival? This is the great question everybody should ask, must ask on themselves. And also what kind of benefit actually we are getting, what kind of changes actually also we are now making in our life. So this is the festival of sacrifices animal. People know that. Some people also they are saying that that's a festival of sacrificing the animal. Now people also blaming ki how are you na, how are you going to celebrate to cut, to take right life of the animal? You don't love, you don't like animals. They are innocent, they have not mouth actually. Why are you cutting, why are you sacrificing? So actually we are not going to sacrifice the animal. This is only one kind of formality, we should know that. But by sacrificing this animal, right, we try to show in front of the God, in front of the Allah, in front of the people actually na, this is actually we sacrifice our emotion, our wishes, our desire, we are actually sacrificing here. So this is only name of animal, right? We are sacrificing. And also according to the Holy Quran, according to the Hadith, right? You can say that now neither meat, neither animal goes right now in the actually in the hand of the God. Not only your intention, your gentle and pure, chaste, holy intention reach there. Ki how much you are sharp actually na intention you have yourself inside your body. Because whatever activity we do, these are activity connecting to our heart, to our mind. First number we things we have, we na, all right, now we apply in our practical life. So we should ask question actually why we are celebrating this festival. Before sacrificing the son, all right, he said now you are pass completely. मतलब छुरी चढ़ी नहीं गर्दन पे, कह दिया आप पास हो गए, क्योंकि वहां से आपने क्या किया था, काम कर दिया था, पूरा हो गया था. वो तो काटना एक अलग चीज है. एक्चुअली अल्लाह टेस्टेड करना चाहता था कि आप ये काम किस नियत के साथ, कितने खुलूस के साथ एक्चुअली करना चाहते हो. हाउ मच सिंसियर यू हैव योरसेल्फ टू डू, टू अप्लाई. आर यू एक्साइटेड, आर यू राइट enthusiasm to apply कि this is order of the Allah, I have to do right now, I have to sacrifice my all right property in the way of Allah. All right, so this is the great. तो छुरी चली ही नहीं, तब तक क्या हुआ, हुक्म हुआ एक्चुअली राइट ना कि आप एग्जामिनेशन में पास हो गए हो. राइट, कटिंग द एनिमल या कटिंग द राइट, सैक्रिफाइसिंग द सन, दिस इज ओनली फॉर्मेलिटी, but only actually I want to test yourself, your intention, your determination, your power, your perception. Yeah. So here is also we are now paying a great responsibility. We are going to recall actually a great sunnah. This is the Hazrat Ibrahim al-Islam. And also I think that this sunnah will remain end of this world, because this is the very great work, this is the very great achievement actually for the Hazrat Ibrahim al-Islam. So here actually we are sacrificing. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, एनिमल को क्या कर रहे हैं, सेक्रीफाइस कर रहे हैं, जिसका मकसद केवल इतना है कि राइट एक्चुअली वी आर गोइंग टू सेक्रीफाइस आवर इमोशन, और हमारी जो ना जज्बात है, हमारी जो उमंग है राइट ना, वो राइट डायरेक्शन में होनी चाहिए, और हमें सही तरीके से काम करना है. हमारा जो गलत हमारे अंदर जो तरीका है उसे क्या करना है, हमें सेक्रीफाइस करना है, किल करना है, ख़त्म करना है. दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी एक्चुअली वी आर डूइंग हियर, या. So two most important point which should be noted here कि what is the main purpose of sacrificing the animal. Even also second most important point which should be noted कि actually how is work, why are you doing this one. This is actually history of the Hazrat na, alright na, Ibrahim al-Islam. Alright, so did you feel something, right? Yeah.